Day, 2nd of December, and the construction day 34, and we are pouring the columns for the caretaker house, and we already did one, so that means we have 8 to go, but this goes quite quickly. So yeah, I'm happy with that, because when the columns goes up, we're just missing the top beams, and then we're ready to put this ceiling. But one other thing I've been going around here this morning is that I've been thinking about the septic tank, the CR tank. We're gonna make one tank for the whole for both of the houses, one up, one down, and I was always thinking like somewhere here. So here is the caretaker house, and the entrance is over there, and you see down there, but I need to redo the fence from here until over there, because it's really like this. So yeah, but okay, but I was thinking here, but maybe it's better in the other side, in the corner side here of our lot. Here, down here. So the house is okay, this is the caretaker house, and our house is on top, and then down here in the corner there's a really good space. It's already dug out most of it. If we then just dig down to the bottom of the footers for the fence there, and then we make the footers solid, more solid. We put some more cement so we have pressure to hold it, and then we use the wall as a kind of support. Of course I'll make another wall for the tank, and then in the corner, so I use both of the walls as a support for the walls of the septic tank. And then that should be like I don't know, 3.5 times 3 meters. And then later it's easier actually to backfill some dirt, and then also that means the tank will also support the fence, so I don't get that amount pressure on the fence if I backfill with a lot of dirt now. And that is what happened way over, is that because I backfilled too much earth, and when it was raining it's really heavy, so that's why the fences goes like that. But okay, I'm really like thinking this is actually the best space, but the problem is this is in the far end of the lot, far away from any roads. So if I ever need to empty it, yeah, I need to pump it far away, but they say you never need to empty it, because also what I do is that only black water goes into tank, no gray water. Gray water will go out in the land. So yeah, I think that's a good idea. What do you think? What do you guys think? You can give me some advice. I like that. All right, back to the pouring. This is a drone shot of the land I have a DJI drone, and they have something called Master Shot, I think, and it just runs a sequence by itself and in different moods and directions. So this is the horizontal, and we're going turning around a bit, and you see where we are located. And then on the right you see just a part of the road that goes up to my lot, and you see the house there in the back and the caretaker down to the right. And the blue green one, that is a Bahai Kubo, and the other box there is the tool shed. We are up and running our compactor, and they are also running the stirrups on the tie beams. And yeah, so let's see how they're doing. This compactor is really nice. It's yeah, it's a lot better than doing it by hand. Huh? And after we were probably going to use some of the mix. We have a lot of mix here. That's a mix of sand and stone. Yeah, the ideal would be to use the gravel, huh? But it's okay to use the mix. I guess that. So compacting, then putting sand gravel mix, then laying 10 steel bar spaced 35 centimeters each on the whole floor. We're starting to dig out CR, not to dig out, but the pipes for the CR. And yeah, and then again they took off some forms, and it looks okay. But look, let's have a look at this side. That's the side which I was a bit worried about. Huh? Here there's a okay, good. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Goody. Yep, cannot complain. I cannot complain. And the whole day I've been busy with my septic tank issue, and we decided we move it to the corner behind the caretaker house and the plumbing. Uh, so I talked to the foreman, and I also talked to Philip down there, and he said, "Be careful with with the slope on the pipes." So I need to do some more checkup, but I think we're gonna try to run the pipes up here together, one over there and one here, and they come out together. Keep them at a maximum 2-degree angle, and then we are gonna have like a almost vertical drop, and then we try to level it at 2 degrees maximum again before, like a trip. Uh, I think that is okay, but I need to run it by some plumbers, and or if any of you guys have any ideas about this. This is really giving me a lot of thinking. And the columns of the caretaker house is finished. So we're gonna leave this for about a week maybe before we go down here and continue. Uh, yeah. So our focus now is to prepare this one for pouring the floor. That will be the focus. And pouring the floor. I hope we can do it in one day. Otherwise, okay, it's maybe be 2 days, but we'll see. We will see. That is next week sometimes. So when the sun is going down, let's do a wrap up of this week. I don't remember the whole week, but today we can do a wrap up. Yeah, we started with pouring the columns down, all 9 of them. They did before lunch today, and then we continued up here. They are putting up the stirrups on the columns, and you see how they're working. And then we run the compactor on the floor inside the house. We're not quite done yet, but we compacted a lot. Yeah, so that is it for this week. This week I really felt we had a lot of progress. And then with these pipes, I really need to make some more questions about that. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna probably have some answer on Monday, I hope. So, to everybody, have a nice weekend, and I'll see you back on Monday. Today is build day 34.